Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. Learn the correct and professional way to change paper size in Microsoft Word without distributing your content layout, formatting or alignment. This tutorial shows you how to adjust paper size safely while preserving margins, text flow, image and tables. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. We can see here a paper size to all page. Now you want to change the size of paper but don't affect it the text. At first go to the layout menu and we can see here the size. Now we select that default size is later. You can change the another size like A4. Now I am select the A4, but we can see here not affected the text. You can again change, you can make A3. Here we can see not affected the text. You can change legal. Now we can see we change the paper size. You can change anything. Now I am select A4. Now we can see here we change the paper size without affecting content very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than video very soon. Thanks for watching.